What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? How have you all been? I have been in a very good mood for the last couple of days. For some reason, I don't know what's happening to me. Everything is making me very happy. So just thought of letting you know that. Does that even make any sense? I don't know. Okay, so guys, today's video is going to be a good vibes haul because I just thought, that I have so many good vibes products. Why haven't I done a good vibes haul in the longest time? So I'll just be talking about some of my favorite products. Some of these you have already seen me using, like the Good Vibes Neem Purifying Face Wash. Now this is a really cool face wash for anybody with sensitive skin, for acne prone skin, and during this summer season it is such a lifesaver. Neem is actually very good for detoxifying your skin, okay, for deep pore cleansing and all of that. So once you start using Neem Purifying Face Wash, it definitely keeps your skin squeaky clean, which is obviously a good thing. If you have oily skin, by the way, you should definitely give this product a try if you're a fan of Good Vibes products. One quick thing I want to mention about this brand, guys, in fact, let me just show this to you. Even for this product, most of the products that I have seen are cruelty free and paraben free, okay, and also it's a made in India brand. Next, what do we want to talk about? Okay, let me talk about another face wash, which is the Good Vibes Brazilian Volcanic Skin Detoxifying Black Clay Face Wash. It also contains licorice, peppermint, tea tree and neem. So as you can tell, guys, this is a face wash which is designed to detox your skin because it contains Brazilian volcanic ash, right? And that is a very good thing, guys, because during the summer season, pore clogging because of all the excessive heat and the sweating, it's a very common problem. Just one second. So it's a very common problem, the pore clogging issue. So this is something which can actually help in pulling out the dirt and grime from your skin very easily. I also like the fact that this is a face wash which is more, in fact, you can probably tell this on camera, see, it's very gel-like. It's not a soapy formula, it's more of a gel-like formula. So when you use it, you also feel that it can really hydrate your skin, okay? I mean, it's not as hydrating as a hyaluronic acid serum or something of that sort, but it also hydrates your skin. So I'm just look at my face, how weird, and like how weird my face is looking right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna wash my face and get back to you guys in a couple of minutes because you probably don't want to watch the entire face washing happen. So give me a couple of minutes, guys, and I'll be right back. And here I am, guys, back to where I was sitting before I went to wash my face. Okay, so for the next product of the day, which I've already started using, is the Good Vibes Licorice Brightening Toner. It also contains coffee, green tea, rose hip and argan. So it's actually a toner, which not just works as the perfect astringent, it also helps in oil balancing. It also helps in just gently nourishing, hydrating and moisturizing your skin. So I think it's such a great product, and because of the ingredients used, it also has a very sweet fragrance, so that's definitely a good thing. So now that I'm done toning my skin, I'm gonna go to the next product of the day, which is, okay, I'm just gonna throw this into the dustbin, guys. Okay, now moving to the next product of the day. Again, there's something which you've probably seen me use a lot of times because there's hardly anything left. Now this is a tea tree gel, again a paraben, sulfate and cruelty free product. Now tea tree is actually very good for sebum production control, for oil control, although I don't have that problem because I have dry skin. I personally like using it for just its antibacterial, antifungal properties. Tea tree is also very good after a hard day out in the sun, when you want to come back home and just relax your skin. Tea tree can really relax your skin. So I'm just gonna massage with this for a minute or two. Okay, so now that I'm done massaging my skin, I'm just gonna spray some rose water on a cotton pad. So the rose water which I'm using is actually Kama Ayurveda, but I'm not cheating because I'm not reviewing it today. If you want to check out the review, I'll put the video link in the description box below. And I'm just gonna wipe off the excess. So whenever you do a gel massage, guys, make sure that you wipe off the excess. Don't leave the gel lying around on your skin like that. Just wipe off the excess always. Next, I also have with me the Good Vibes Avocado Natural Carrier Oil, which you have seen me for so many times use this product if you are regular on my channel. Now, it's a very good oil, guys. It's so rich in fatty acids. It's something which you can use on your skin. You can use this on your hair. It's great for skin conditioning, hair conditioning, and you know, like it really softens the skin. However, it is a heavy oil, so if you're using it on your skin, make sure you have dry skin. To this I'm also mixing another product from Good Vibes, which is the Good Vibes Peppermint 100% Pure Essential Oil. Now guys, here's the thing with essential oils. If you're using essential oils on your skin especially, don't take more than 1 or 2 drops, okay? You have to be very careful. So I've just taken like a hint of essential oil, and I'm just gonna add this to my avocado oil. That's it. Okay, just a little bit. Now the reason why I picked up peppermint oil, peppermint essential oil for today's video is because it's extremely soothing for the skin. And if you have a lot of sunburns, if you have a lot of sun damage, or if you just feel extremely tired, peppermint also, because of the fragrance, you know, it's very calming. So just gonna massage this into my skin now. And that's it guys, that's the routine for the day. This was supposed to be a haul video, I also made it a routine. But these are the products I wanted to share with you all today. So honestly guys, you know, there are a lot of products from Good Vibes which I really like. So for example, there's a rose hip oil which if you haven't tried it out guys, you have to try it out. It's one of the best selling products of Good Vibes ever, and it's genuinely really nice. There is also a whole range of sheet masks from Good Vibes. So I have actually done a couple of videos in this series already because I really like this brand. So guys, I'll put all the links in the description box below. Purple is having a beauty carnival sale starting tomorrow till 27th of June, where you get up to 50% off and a chance to win an iPhone using coupon code, which I'll share in the description box below. And here are some sale offers that you do not want to miss. Flat 40% off on purchase of rupees 399 and above on Wow Skin Science. Good Vibes, yes, Good Vibes, Stay Quirky, Alps Goodness, NY Bay, again flat 30% off. Maybelline up to 40% off. So I'll put all the details with all the links and everything in the description box below. So yes guys, that's all for now. Do you see how my skin has absorbed all the oil? That's how dry my skin is even in the summer season. So yes, anyways, going back to the video, thank you so much for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. You can check out all the links below, and yes, this is me Prachi signing off now. Bye bye.